बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टाइप ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटीज। So the number one is absolute uncertainty, which is equal to the least count of the measuring instrument absolute uncertainty is equal to the least count of the measuring instrument, and further smaller the least count of measuring instrument, precise will be the measurement. Precise will be the measurement. For example, measurement made by screw gauge is more precise as compared to the measurement made by vernier caliper or meter rod. Number two, fractional uncertainty. It is equal to the ratio between absolute uncertainty and measured value and measured amount, that is absolute uncertainty divided by measured amount. This is also equal to least count over measured amount. Note: the magnitude of fractional uncertainty magnitude of fractional uncertainty determines accuracy. Smaller the value of fractional uncertainty, more accurate will be. Smaller the value of fractional uncertainty, greater will be accuracy of result. There is percentage uncertainty. Percentage uncertainty this is equal to absolute uncertainty divided by measured amount multiplied by 100. Yeah, we can write it least count over measured amount multiplied by 100. We call it percentage uncertainty. So these Three types of uncertainties are there which are used in numerical problems. Now we discuss the rules for calculating uncertainties in final result. First of all, rule for sum and difference, that is, we can call it addition and subtraction. If the quantities are added or subtracted, then their absolute uncertainties are added to get uncertainty in final result. If z is equal to x plus y, two quantities x and y are added and the result is z, then delta z, uncertainty in the result, is delta x plus delta y, having sign plus and minus. Example, x plus delta x is 24 plus minus 0.1 centimeter, and y plus minus delta y is 30.0 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. Then z plus delta z is equal to x plus minus delta x plus y plus minus delta y is equal to x plus y and plus minus delta x plus delta y. So the resultant value is z plus delta z is equal to 24 plus 30 plus minus 0.1 plus 0.1, and this is 63 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. This is the answer, not 63, but this is 54. Similarly, for z is equal to y delta y minus x plus minus delta x, this is equal to y minus x plus minus delta y plus delta x, and this is equal to result 30 minus 24 is plus minus 0.1 plus 0.1, and this is 6.0 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. So the way we apply this rule on sum and the difference. Now we discuss rule number 2. Second rule is rule for multiplication and division. If the quantities are multiplied or divided, if the quantities are multiplied or divided, then their percentage uncertainty are added to get uncertainty in final result. If z is equal to x into y, let us suppose r z is equal to x over y, then percentage uncertainty in z is equal to percentage uncertainty in x plus percentage uncertainty in y. Mathematically, we can write z plus delta z is equal to x plus percentage delta x. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐड कर रहे हैं तो दिस इज प्लस माइनस y plus minus percentage uncertainty in y. So we can write x into y or plus minus percentage uncertainty in x plus percentage uncertainty in y. For multiplication, same is the case in multiplication. In division, z plus minus delta z is equal to x plus minus this is delta x divided by y plus minus this is equal to x over y and plus minus percentage delta x plus percentage delta y. दोनों सूत्रों में चाहे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हों या डिवाइड कर रहे हों तो परसेंटेज अनसर्टेनिटीज हमेशा ऐड हो जाती हैं. इसके बाद देयर इज अनदर रूल, थर्ड वन, रूल फॉर पावर ऑफ अ quantity. The total uncertainty in a power of a quantity is equal to percentage uncertainty in that quantity multiplied by power used in the formula. If z is equal to x power 3, then percentage uncertainty in z is equal to plus minus 3 multiplied by percentage uncertainty in x. For example, a ball has radius 3, 2 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. then its volume will be equal to volume of ball is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is 4 by 3, 3.14 and 2 key power 3, and this is equal to 33.49. So this is equal to cubic centimeter, and volume V plus delta V, तो वॉल्यूम तो ये हो गया, डेल्टा परसेंटेज अनसर्टेनिटी इन रेडियस, तो परसेंटेज अनसर्टेनिटी in radius is equal to 0.1 multiplied by actual value into 100, ये 5% हो जाएगा. So percentage uncertainty in volume is equal to 3 multiplied by percentage uncertainty in the radius, this is 15%. So the result volume plus minus delta V is equal to 33.49 plus minus 15% centimeter cube. So this is the formula for the powers.